Hello. Okay, never mind. So I think I'm audible right now. So this video is to hmm okay. I am making this to tell you guys something. Obviously. So I joined the company yesterday. I have not been assigned anything to work on or to read because this is just my second day. Uh, Super excited. Uh, so here's our target. Okay. Apart from what I would be told to do in the company, I have a plan. Like I am a data scientist. So there are two things I want to do right now. So first thing is to do good in the company. So obviously I have to learn a lot of ML because it's data scientist. So I think so I am going to learn, like, I know, like, the basic part of, ML, but I am not really strong at the root level, like the math behind it. Uh, I am not really good at, you know, the decision trees, for example. There are a lot of decision trees like cat boost, XGBoost, and all this shit. And I exactly don't know what's happening behind them. I just use some Python library. I can use some Python library and can do that. So we have to do that. So we first have, there are two things, right? I mean, at least for me, there are two things, uh, or maybe three things. Okay, depending on the team I would be going on, I mean, going into, uh, I have to do that. I see my team's name like it's agents slash ML co. So I think I have to be good with the agents like the LLMs and the APIs they use, maybe quantizing the model and all of that. So you have to learn that as well. So first, that's you know, g- uh, that's the top priority. Getting better at whatever team I would be going into. And the next one would be the ML basic part. This is the second most important priority. Like the first one is that, second is this. So this is the basics of ML. Everyone has to know it. You're a data scientist, you have to know it. So that's the second one. And the third one is reading a ML paper every week. Uh, One per week or maybe 1 in 2 weeks, whatever seems nice or seems comfortable. But don't just skim those papers. I read some papers, but I didn't get into the math behind it or try to reproduce it. I mean, I tried reproducing some, but I failed. Uh, so the target would be like take the paper, get deep in the paper. If the paper uh, you know, before some other paper, then do that paper, do this paper, do the paper, and yeah, just whatever you read well enough. Like you don't skip most of it. So those are the three things I have to do because for the present part at least for ML and my job role. Okay, these things, and apart from that. Uh, I am interested in competitive programming. I mean, interested as in I want to get better at it. Sure. So we will concentrate on that aspect. So we do code for this or some reading from competitive programming part. So maybe two questions from Codeforces. At present, I would, fix the value at, rating of the problems at 1700 will slowly increase the values. My target is like reach 2200 in Codeforces into in 2 years or something. Uh, by 6 months, I would become something like 1800. First of all, let me tell you, first I have to become an expert, and then I have to become a CM, if I am correct, and then master. The master is the target. Okay, so expert shouldn't take so long. I want to go there in like 6 months. It's too much, right? Yeah, maybe in 4 months. We will become master in 4 months, and then 8, and then 12. Okay, seems makes sense. Yeah. That's the target for CB, and we will we will try to be consistent. We will try to do as much as possible uh, in CP. Uh, that's 4 racks now, and the fifth one would be getting good at basic computers. This is important. Okay? So this is starting from computers basics, like computer architecture basics. So, okay, so computer architecture, because it's the basis of how computers work. You want to, you know, get better at computer science, or or any IT role, for example. You have to. I think you have to know at least the basics of computer science, and it will be useful afterwards, I think. So we would do CS part. CS part as in okay, yeah. CS part as in mm, computer architecture, computer networks, OS, DBMS, maybe compilers as well. This we will see later. So yeah, there's another one that I will tell you. So architecture, networks, OS, maybe whatever is after that, like reading about GPUs, uh, the hardware, and yeah, parallel computing, all this, right? So we will start at computer architecture here, right? I know a bit of OS and the concepts of OS, yes, but I have to, uh, yeah, embedded. So we take those four. Okay. That's another track. We will start at computer architecture, and then maybe networks, and OS and embedded are together for me as of now. And then parallel computing and things. Okay, it's another track. This is for the span of 2 years, or at least 1.5 years. And then the last one is learning C. This shouldn't take too long. Learning C as in not just the syntax, like obviously I would do CP, so you will learn C++, I mean, not learn, things that needed for CP would be just a surface area. Uh, you just put random stuff to do math. That is what it is, CP, right? But C is much more than that. Uh, C or C plus plus for say. Uh, so we want to understand how C works, how C plus plus works in the background, how things work, like how are they defined, how are they meant to be used, how are they using, how can be used, all of that. Low level C and we do compilers. Yeah, that's the last one. So we are going to concentrate on the 6 tracks for 2 years from now. Alright. Yeah, 6 tracks is a lot, but I also had a very huge time scale, so anything could happen in this time scale. I'm not denying it, but we will try to be consistent. That's the thing. Right. Uh, yeah, we will see how far we will go with this. But the top priority, as in time, and you have to do it immediately, is getting good at ML. Uh, so that is the reason why I have divided those in 3 tracks instead of having all of that in one track. So first things, getting good at ML. So reading a paper that will do, and the remaining 2 things are one depending on the company, I mean team I'm in. I don't know that yet. And the third one is getting good at ML basics, which I can do right now. So we will maybe start from pattern recognition, the Bishop book. We will do that until we get a specific instruction. I mean, specific instruction of what to do, and then yeah, that's it. We will do that for now. And for computer architecture, I have something. Computer architecture programmer's perspective. We will do that for computer architecture, and for yeah, that's the track. For C, I have Scott Mayer's book. I want to read. That's for C. And what is today? Yeah, those 3 are done. These 2 are done. Is there anything else? For CP, yeah, obviously, we know what to do. Code forces, obviously, and some lead code forces, some lead code, and some maybe studying some algorithm. We will do that as well. Ah, share, I forgot. There is something else. Getting good at math. Yes, important. Important for many things. Uh, Getting good at probability, linear algebra, differential equation, PDE, all of that. Because I'm a mathematics student and I'm not good at math, I have to start getting better at math as well. And yeah, that's it. That's academically. And I have a remote job. So I'm thinking uh remote job can be done in many ways from anywhere. So my initial plan was to move around. Like I was so motivated that I would stay in Kerala for 30 days and then maybe Jaipur for 30 days and then somewhere in here Himachal Pradesh for 30 days. Uh, Northeast for 30 days and all of that. Like, yeah, that's a lot. I'm not lying to you guys, but I don't think that will work. It will. Yeah, but I will definitely go and stay for like at least 30 days in another state, man, for sure. In the first year, 100%. And yeah, uh, okay. After that, I want to learn guitar, man, like real. I started learning guitar. I think I learned 4 chords. That's haven't done a lot of lot of practice as well. So I want to learn guitar. So I would buy two guitars. With my family money, of course. Maybe next month. Uh, when the money is credited into my account. That's it. That's the goal for now. And see what happens. I was a bit tense and anxious yesterday before uh, getting a call from the company, of course, because yesterday was my first onboarding day, and yeah, I was scared. But now I'm not, I guess, but I'm still scared a little bit. Don't know what kind of workout get or uh, I'm actually scared because most of the people around are from a background. I'm from mathematics background. Haven't done many courses in ML as well. Most of it, what I know is what I studied, so it's not really systematic. Uh, what I have learned, so I might have missed many things while studying. So that's what I'm scared of. But the good thing is most of them are from ML background, so they can teach. I mean, I can learn. Yeah, so I'm excited about learning things. So yep, that's it. And we are going to the gym. We want to keep that habit alive. I have not missed a single session in the last 2 months. Okay, I have gone. Like, I came home on May 16th. Today is July 2nd. I have not missed a single gym session in this time. Like, yeah, I have been very consistent with the gym. Uh, I have gone every day. I haven't cancelled some events are planned so that they come on the list. So yeah. Hmm. You see my bicep? It's not much. Yeah, bicep is my not my strong suit. But yeah, there it is. It is not big at all. You might see it. Oh, yeah, nothing. It's a short bicep. See, it's just this much. There's a lot of gap. But with tricep, you could see some shape. That's it. That's all for today. Bye bye.